How do you file a 1099 NEC in TurboTax? So first you'll need to go to turbotax.intuit.com and sign in to your account. And then from the left panel, you want to expand this category and look for income or income and expenses menu and click on it. And from here, you would need to select the 1099 NEC or self-employment income, which is this one right here. And then you want to click on Start, the Start button next to it. And then you would need to enter the information from your 1099 NEC form exactly as shown. And this should guide you through the process by asking you to enter the details one by one. And then you would also need to complete any business expense sections if applicable, and then you would review and file your return normally. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.